We're on the job here in Charlton, Massachusetts. This is day one of a new project. We're replacing this failed retaining wall behind me. As you can see, it was improperly installed and it's failing, or it has failed. All the block fell down into the driveway. We already picked up some of the stuff that was here, but it collapsed right into the driveway. It was improperly installed. There was no pins. There was a pin system in the block. The pins weren't used. They didn't put any geogrid in it. So pretty much from start to finish, the wall was improperly installed, and it didn't last 10 years. So we're going to take it down and do it the right way. And we're going to start with removing the old wall and get rid of it. We're going to truck it out. We're going to do our excavation, and we're going to put in a new Genest wall, and we're going to put in a new set of stairs. We're going to put in a set of stairs right here behind me. We're going to use Teco Block Roca stairs. So we're going to get to it. We are kind of halfway through the excavation at this point. We have the laser level out. I'm shooting some grades here. We found the elevation here off the driveway of where I want to put the new set of stairs. I shot this because the elevation of the set of stairs is a given where it's going to be coming off the driveway. So we had that set here at 3'3", okay? So everything else is going to go off of that. Now the low point of the project is over here. I say the low point, I mean the lowest point elevation-wise. So 3'3" is right here. This is the height of our stair, the bottom of our first step, right? We're going to dig down in 6-inch increments to compensate for the base block, because everything's going to be run level off of the bottom of the bottom of the wall, and we'll stack up to that course.
Thanks for watching. To follow this project and more, subscribe to our channel.